The LG V20 is a here and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 12 Pro for Boost Mobile. So the iPhone 12 Pro is not here at Boost Mobile. So yeah. It's available in 4 colors. So it's so the 128GB iPhone 12 Pro is $999. 256GB iPhone 12 Pro is $1099.99, and then the 512GB iPhone 12 Pro is $1299.99. The only one that's currently in stock is the 128GB version. So they keep that in mind. So you guys have 4 colors like I mentioned: graphite, silver, gold, and Pacific blue. So there's the iPhone 4 Pro. There's your notes for your front-facing camera interface. Power button will be on the left side of the phone. Button keys will be on the left side of the phone, along with your remote switch there on the left. Back of the phone, you got 3 cameras, camera flash, up and low. There's the iPhone 4 Pro in different colors. So pretty nice, you know. So it says here, iPhone 12 Pro 5G to download huge files on the go and stream HDR video. Beautifully bright 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. So running exceeding with 4 times better web performance. Incredible real-life photography with a new pro camera system and 4 times optical zoom range. Single-grade Dolby Vision video recording, editing, and playback. Night mode portraits and next-level AR experiences with the LiDAR scanner, powerful A14 bionic chip, and new MagSafe accessories for easy attach and faster wireless charging for indefinitely spectacular possibilities. Quick specs: you have 6.1-inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 17 hours of video playback time, 4K video, and you have iOS 14 on board, right? Of course, how's it work? It's only at night. Between points where I pick up on it and activate it more. I don't know why the hell they're doing it like this. It's smaller and it's hard to read too, so I don't know why they're doing it like this. I don't know. I think they should have made this thing a bit bigger. They should, in my opinion. They should have made this a bit bigger. Because the thing is hard to read, you know? So anyways, faster forward 5G speeds, A14 Bionic, and A14 Bionic, the fastest chip in this smartphone. Apple says that every fucking year. And a pro camera system that takes low-light photography to the next level with an even bigger jump on iPhone 12 Pro Max. A design pushed right to the edge. The Super Retina XDR display goes edge to edge with a Supreme Series which has 4 times better web performance. Hello 5G. Super fast speeds, super low latency, so you can get faster downloads, better quality video streaming, more defensive gaming, and real-time activity, right? So pretty nice. The chip that pushes what's possible. Introducing the first 5nm chip in the industry, which means more speed, more power, and more efficiency. AR at the speed of light, and DAR creates accurate depth maps in nanoseconds. So optics AirPlays instantly and more accurately in AI experiences. And video for night mode. Night mode goes wide and ultra wide, and it's even better at capturing natural color in dim light. The new and wide camera captures 27% more light. 60 times more colors. Wow. 10-bit HDR recording makes video more lifelike. You can easily edit, watch, and share double vision videos too. Fresh camera over 2 recording and double vision. AirPlay lets you stream 4K double vision video to your Apple TV or Smart TV. Specs. Built-in rechargeable battery, max of Q wireless charging capabilities, video time 17 hours, non-removable battery, 128, 256, or 512 GB storage options, a 14 bionic chip, iOS 14 on board. Cameras, Pro 12 megapixel camera system, ultra wide angle, and the telephoto cameras all at 12 megapixels. Ultra wide lens is its f2.4 aperture lens and 120-degree field of view. The wide angle camera is an f1.6 aperture lens, and then the telephoto lens is an f2.0 aperture lens. 6.1-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display. Your dimensions for the iPhone 12 Pro: 5.78 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.29 inches depth. The iPhone 12 Pro weighs 6.66 ounces. Your connectivity options are Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi, Lightning connected, and Apple Pay as well. Other features have FaceTime, video, and audio, Apple Card, and Siri, of course. I guess that is expected for. What's included in the box is your iPhone 12 Pro with iOS 14 documentation, USB-C to Lightning cable, and that is it. No power brick, no AirPods, nothing like that. So that's very interesting. If you guys need help with your iPhone 12 Pro, Beast Mobile has you covered with that. So I said, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Learn everything from setting up your email to managing all of your gaming applications. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 12 Pro is now heard at Beast Mobile. It's available now for $999 for 128 gigs, $1099.99 246 gigs, or $1299.99 for 512 GB iPhone 12 Pro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It was me on up. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.